Good morning everyone. I hope so you all are fine and you are doing real practice also. So today I am starting exercise 10.4. So 10.4 is about the measurement of the capacity, right? In that we are using the units like kiloliter, liter, milliliter, right? So you should know in 1 kiloliter how many liter? 1000 liter, and in 1 liter 1000 milliliter. The standard unit of the capacity is liter and milliliter, but if we have to measure the very big capacity, right, very large amount of capacity, then we have to use kiloliter. Now conversion of units, like liter to milliliter, if we have to convert, we will do multiply, means from bigger to smaller, multiply, from smaller to bigger, milliliter to liter, divide. Keep this thing in mind always. Now this thing again you have to learn. In 1 liter, if 1000 milliliter, so in half liter how many it can be? 500 milliliter. And in 1/4 liter, 250 milliliter. And in 3/4 liter, 750 milliliter. These things you have to learn. This we will use in the exercise. Now exercise we are using. Question number A, convert to milliliters. So 6 liter is given, we have to convert into milliliter, means bigger to smaller. So what we will do? Multiply. In 1 liter you will write firstly is equal to 1000 milliliter, then in 6 liter 6 multiply by 1000, so 6000 milliliter. Now third part I am taking, this is half is in liter, half is in milliliter, right? Half part is in liter, so milliliter part will remain same, we will not change, we will do at the end only addition. So 2 liter 970 milliliter, so in 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So write the question here. Then the liter part we have to multiply with 1000. So 2 multiply 1000 plus 970 is already in the milliliter, so it will be same. So 970. Now 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 970. When you will add, what will come? 2970 milliliter, right? Now see question. This is seventh part. This is 8 and 3 upon 4 milliliter. So we can distribute like this to 8 liter and 3 upon 4 liter. So now see the value. Firstly we will take 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and we know the value of 3 upon 4 liter. What is the value? 750 milliliter. We will use this one. So write like this, 8 liter plus 3 upon 4 liter. Now put value. 8 is in liter, so multiply by 1000. So 8 multiply by 1000 plus value of 3 upon 4 liter is 750. Now write here 8 into 1000, 8000 plus 750, addition 870 milliliter. Now look here, the 8 part also, this is 5.5 liter. So 1 liter value is 1000 milliliter, and 1 upon 2 liter means half liter value is 500 milliliter. Now write like this, 5 liter plus 1 upon 2 liter. 5 multiply by 1000 plus half liter value is 500. Now 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 500. So what will come after addition? 5500 milliliter. So like this we have to solve. Now question number B is convert to liter and milliliter, means in milliliter they given and they are asking in liter and milliliter. So from smaller to bigger, what we will do? Divide. Now we will write like this way, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 4000 milliliter we will divide with the 1000. So do division like this, 1000 4s are 4000, 0 came. So quotient is always in the bigger unit, so this is in the 4 liter. Now look here, this is the third part I am taking. This is 9125 milliliter. Again smaller to bigger, divide. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, and 9125 divided by 1000. Do division here. 1000 9s are 9000. Subtract. After subtraction remainder what we get? 125. Nothing else. So leave it here only. Quotient in the bigger unit. So 9 liter 125 milliliter. Now one more part, sixth part I am taking here. This is 90,075 milliliter. So again 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, and now divide 90,000 divide by 90,075 divide by 1000. Divide here. So 1000 9s are 9000. Subtract. What will come here? 7000. So again 5 is left. Right, take out 5. Now 5 we are taking from the top, and this is not divisible by 1000. So what we will do? Write here 0. So this 90 is in the liter, and this 3 digit we will take, 075 we will take in the milliliter. So like this we have to solve. Now statement sums are there. Question number C. A man drinks 1250 milliliter of water daily. How much is this in the liter? Means water they give in the milliliter and they are asking in the liter, means from smaller to bigger. What we will do? Divide. So man drinks water daily. How much? 1250 milliliter. Now 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So 1250 divided by 1000. Divide here, 1000 ones are 1000. What is left? 250, less than 1000. So leave it here. Quotient in the bigger unit and this remainder is in the smaller unit. So 1 liter 250 milliliter, right? Now question number 2. A water tank has 300 liter of water. How much is this in the milliliter? So now water is given in liter, same, and they are asking in milliliter. Now from bigger to smaller, so means what we have to do? Multiply. So what we will write in the statement? Water in a water tank. How much? 309 liter. In 1 liter we know 1000 milliliter. So in 309 liter, 309 multiply by 1000. So if you know, we have done in the multiplication chapter, if any number by which we are multiplying and ending with the digits 3 digit 0, so what we will do? That much 0 we will write in the answer, and then we will write the this one multiplication, this one number. So 309, and after that this multiply by 1000, so 30 will come. So this is the answer, right? So you have to do the practice and complete your work.